Okay, what's up? It's a weekend. It's a weekend here. It's Saturday, 21st of February, 2026. So I was thinking to do for myself a review of my of one of my losses that I had, and the one that I had it's with MNTX. Uh, so yeah, okay. So I was like checking I was checking to see which of them doesn't make sense, and I found this one, MNTX, right? And now I remember what's happened, but I will go like for myself. I want to have like mental notes. I want to take a mental notes. I want to take betterments out of this, and the straight way moving forward, because this cannot happen in the future. It cannot happen. So yeah, I did trade MNTX a couple of the times in 2024, like small amount, maybe 150 bucks, whatever. Then on January 5th, I lost almost 4k on it. So what's happened? There was a couple of things. First one, I miss really big information because I didn't do my due diligence, and I need to start doing that more carefully. Like when I have stock, I need to do my proper investigation. I cannot just overlook the stock and just short base it on pre-market action. So that said, I will stop trading pre-market unless the market change, because market change and I didn't adapt. So on that day, there was a okay. So my trades was in the early pre-market. I took one trade, took profit, then there was another trade, but I will go to that a bit later. Now, what we know that you should not hold short positions after 7, 8 or 8:30 a.m. Why? Because there is a couple of things. First of all, we know that some certain brokers open up around that time. Interactive brokers are around 7. There is Guardian, Cobra, there is Success Trader, there is a bunch of them that they're just opening at the same time, and they can liquidate you, margin calls, uh, put big chunks of the orders, whatever. They're bringing the volume, right? So in this case, what I found, so those are my notes, and I'm keeping notes on Serbian, right? Because it's for myself. Sometimes I'm keeping in English, whatever. So this is the main point. I'm trying to find MNTX. Where is it? Wait. Let me just find it. Trying to find MNTX. Just to bring the chart because I have screenshot. Oh yeah, okay. It's here. It's here. Right. So this is the stock. So this is the MNTX. What's happened here? So in my notes here, I left a note and it's saying that first, MNTX was the low float, 1.5 million. That's a red flag. I should not short that, right? But my first short here was a small profit, and I decided not to trade with this one. Why? Because I was trading that day with SIDU, SIDU, and I made bunch of money on that one, and I was really happy. And I should hold that one instead of this one. But whatever, okay. So MNTS, first of all, was the 1.5 million float, right? Second of all, there was a pipe a couple of days ago. I missed that information. And third, I left my position. So in this case, I did short here, and I left some uh, short orders that I was not aware of. I left my trading desk. I went outside. I did my thing. I think I went to gym, whatever. I came back. When I came back, it was like around 9 a.m. I remember, and I saw that I have like maybe couple of hundred um, red. I mean, it was nothing. I was already green, so I could take just a small cut, and that's it. Instead of making 1K of the day, I would make maybe 500 and that's it. I mean, why not, right? But I started adding and I started adding. Of course, I start oversizing more shares because I want to uh, change my average, whatever. That's what happened. It's like a pure amateur mistake. Why? I really don't know. Uh, I mean, I need to understand my behavior, but I don't need to understand my behavior, right? So if this happened, if I left a short position and I left out and I went outside, I was not aware, and I came back and I saw that I'm in short position and the stock is squeezing from 6 to almost 9. I need to cut my loss and that's it. I don't need to understand my behavior. I don't need to try to understand what will happen. I need to cut my loss. And I think this can be this can happen to anyone if you are getting reward for bad trades in the past. So for example, if you do this and you add, and then it's fade at the open and you will make a bunch of money because now you have a bigger size. That kind of bad behavior can lead you to stuff like this, squeeze. What if I didn't cut loss and I cut loss twice? I cut loss here, I reshorted, and I cut loss again. What if I didn't cut loss? What if I added more? I could blow up and that's it. You will not see me anymore like trading, right? You need to go make money somewhere else, came back here. So I don't want to do that. So that's my lesson for myself. That's my lesson for anyone. I mean, just sharing my thoughts. And yeah, I mean, that's it. I will try to review a couple of more to see if I can find any good betterments that I can take it out. But like going forward, I have strict rules, and those are rules. Bye.